On today's Did You Know, we're going to talk about Cyclone's shower tub combo. What's great about this is it is a one-piece shower. It's all fiberglass from top to bottom, so it's going to be less opportunity to ever have a water extrusion anywhere. Along with that, one of the features that we do is that it's a partial tub. So that's going to give you the opportunity with small children or anything like that they can bathe in this. Along with that, it's less opportunity for water to splash out of your shower area. Lots of showers that you walk in that are stand-ups have a 1-inch lip. Water tends to get on the floor. With ours, you're going to have about a 12-inch lip, so it's going to be less opportunity to get water on your floor. Now, along with that, you're going to have the 3-piece glass shower door. Again, nice, convenient, easy to use, easy to clean. And then along with that is going to be our multi-port shower sprayer. This is going to give you a spa-like feeling. It looks good, feels good, and the shower head's amazing.